Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, after this FTX catastrophe, one of the major news that came is that a lot of exchanges are out there. And in fact, I checked the email from a lot of exchanges today itself. They are going to release that proof of reserves at their exchange, that the amount of currencies that they hold. The point here that they want to show is that every investment of the users belongs to the users itself. They are just keeping the custody. They have no business in using that funds, which is the ideal case. So basically, the proof of reserve will be showing that the customers' funds are saved and intact. And I believe this is one of the great positive steps for the future. And at the same time, I believe why they are doing it in a hurry. Just imagine if you had half of your life saving onto any exchange, the best exchange in the world, right? But after this FTX row, would you be confident enough? So a lot of people are actually taking off their money from the exchanges. So the exchanges had to do something in order to build the trust back. The point here is, guys, what FTX guys actually did to the entire space. Like, it is not that the story that they came out, it is not the liquidation. I mean, all that is the after effect. The root cause was what they were doing. They were doing the leverage trading with the people's money. In a way, they are gambling away with the people's money, which they are not supposed to do. So this is kind of a financial crime that they committed. And I have, just the way I have said it before, I believe this was a necessary step to happen. Someday or the other, it would have happened with such kind of practices. It's better that it just happened sooner. Having said that, just imagine, even the people who are already in the crypto from a significant duration of time, they have lost the faith. Like, their confidence is shaken. Just imagine the people outside, when we are talking about the mass adoption, the mega retail money coming in, how they feel about this. Like, how, I mean, they don't even know, I mean, where to put their money. The decentralized finance, the private wallets, all they knew is that probably deposit the money onto the exchange. And right now they're hearing that everyone's money from the exchange has been wiped out, no matter what the crypto prices are. So definitely what these guys actually did was a disaster. And I believe what CZ did, probably, I mean, I would say that eventually it had to happen. Like, doing the leverage trading out of other people's money, literally, you're not doing good to the entire industry. Now there are other news coming in as well. In fact, obviously, the big boy crypto has been very vocal about it. That's what he's saying, that they are working on to release something, and when the story is out, the people will happen to know that Sam Bankrupt was actually behind every other crash that happened in the entire year. The Luna crash, the Celsius bankruptcy, the Three Arrows Capital bankruptcy, Sam Bankrupt, and killing a lot of projects, pumping a lot of, I mean, a lot of activities which are considered to be fishy within the entire market, and which is bad for the entire crypto market. Sam Bankrupt was involved in that. Not sure yet, but let us wait and watch what is the story, what is the Bitcoin crypto and guys are like working upon to release, so that we do happen to know it. So all in all, guys, eventually it had to happen. This was blessing in disguise for the crypto market, but really we need to feel for the people who have lost their big sum of money. Probably even some of the people happen to know the news, and probably they couldn't take the action at the right time, and the entire wealth is lost for a lot of people. Very sad day. And again, guys, if you have been following my channel, I have been consistently recommending the best exchange out there in the world, the biggest exchange out there in the world. It is like the Bitcoin. I mean, when you are investing into a cryptocurrency, the first and the safest would be the Bitcoin, right? Here, Binance exchange is like the Bitcoin of the entire crypto market. If you have not already signed up to Binance, the link is down below in the video description. You use that link and sign up. You get additional benefit that you qualify for one full Bitcoin giveaway that we are going to give. right? Every 1,000 referral we complete, you get qualified for this lucky draw. So let's say we get 2,000, 5,000 referrals. So that means you will be 5,000 times put into the lucky draw. You can win 5 bitcoins, right? And it is going to keep on happening. You just need to sign up for once and buy the cryptocurrency. So definitely, guys, I really trust the Binance, and they are the biggest, and that is probably what happens in the entire. Only the few players remain, the big players remain. Even the .com bubble, if you remember, only few companies, the topmost companies, the Amazons and all those, the Googles, they came out of the ashes. Every other company just collapsed and just died. That is what happens in circumstances like this. We need to understand how it all takes place, how it all happens. Having said that, we need to understand what are the learning lessons from all these things. Definitely, we need to be very cautious about it. If you have not already received the email, just try to check, like, whichever exchange that you are in, try to find out what is the proof of reserve thing that they are doing about, like the Binance have issued, and KuCoin, OKX, Crypto.com, all that they have already committed. They are going to show the proof of reserves, and I believe that it is very important. And obviously, in the future, a lot of regulation is coming upon in the entire crypto market, and probably it will take quite a while to build the confidence for the new retail people to come in and jump into the crypto market. So again, guys, I'll just keep it short, and that was the thing. And obviously the Blockfi also got bankrupt, and there are news that a lot of companies were also involved with the FTX. Why? Because obviously the chain is interconnected. Just with the Celsius drop, the Three Arrows Capital drop, Luna crash, everything was connected. A lot more stories are about to come out. The Blockfi stopped the withdrawals. It's disaster all the way within the crypto market. That's what the brutal bear markets can do, guys. But I believe and I trust the crypto is going to come out from these ashes like the phoenix, and the next bull market will come, and the people who stay strong in these times are the one will be hugely rewarded by the next bull run. So again, subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, comment down below for what you feel about it, and till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1,000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1,000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1,000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1,000 referral, 2,000 referral, 3,000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.